गाड़ी कड़कदाम दा क्लीन గా गाड़ी कड़कदाम అట్లా
అమ్మా
దా 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 ఆ పెద్ద మెట్ట ఇగో ఎక్కుతావు
come on come on come on come
దా 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 దా
come on come come on try you can come let me help him come he's up let's go yeah, today we are going to restore our not this one but this bike. This is a bike which has been with us almost 16 years I think.
yeah
This is 2006 model which was gifted by my father on our 18th birthday. It's been almost 15-16 years.
yeah
You need to clean all this rust, man. Lot of rust. Now how do you start this?
we're going to take this
Now just start the bike. Where's the key?
no we'll start it later once everything is clean then we can start it. We're going
This is
to
how
do
it looks like.
during this.
Very difficult to get the parts.
yeah
This cap was out. We are searching from past almost 2 to 3 years. We are not getting the parts.
even the battery cap I didn't find it in the showroom
So
I got it from
they stopped manufacturing the parts for this. Even the outer aftermarket parts also, it is very difficult to get it for
like
this
a
vintage bike. We'll wash it and we will.
no we don't wash it let us spray the kerosene and we'll do
Okay.
the cleaning then we can wash it with the soap water.
ठीक है.
We're going to start with this exhaust.
I'll show you once everything is done. I'll show you how it looks like.
This is the old how it was. Here, just take a.
Now take the kerosene, spray it.
No, wait. There is a dust in the. Don't spray it.
Don't spray. All these are gone. I tried to restore once, but the repainting job was not at all a good one. I need to restore again. It will cost somewhere 70,000-80,000 approximately. Started filing this. You can see how the rust is getting. Sorry.
I'm gonna show the video once everything is completed. Let me foil it from the two ends. I'm gonna pause the video now. I'm gonna show it once everything is done. Just do one sample this one, but I won't do it really. It has to soak for 5 to 10 minutes.
It has
See,
gone,
there's a
no?
rust over there.
It's completely gone.
It's gone, completely gone.
No, you just do this part, the below one. Yeah.
It's gone. It will go off. Don't show. It has to soak for a while. Yeah.
Let us soak it and we'll restore
I'll just
completely.
spray the kerosene once again. This is a choline, not. It's not choline. It's a kerosene.
Clean, no?
Yeah. This even we can restore this spoke.
Spoke also you can clean.
But we need a lot of patience for this.
You need to take a lot of time on.
Yeah, can't do that right now.
The rims are clean. No? It's shining. This was the original condition. Completely rusted. Clean this, Lakshman.
Alright, I'm done with the exhaust and the battery pipe. This is how the exhaust look once the cleaning is done. There's some beaten things left out over here, but over the time, maybe after 3 or 4 times you're gonna clean it, it's gonna vanish completely. You can see a couple of dents on these, and there's a couple of rust accumulated over there. Maybe 1 or 2 times cleaning, it's gonna vanish it. And you can see there's a difference between the factory fitted chrome and this aftermarket one. So these brake cleaner ones are factory fitted one. There's not even a single spot over there. You can just notice that. But this exhaust is it's not a factory fitted one. It got broken and I came to change some other aftermarket one. You can see there is a huge difference between the chrome on the factory fitted and this. Even on the other side, on the battery cap, you can notice after a couple of foiling, I need to clean this. Okay, there's a residue left over here as well as here. There's no chrome at all over here. It's looked like a black spot, something like that over here also. Okay. I'm gonna do the wheels right now. It's gonna be a same process. We spray. I will just get to know. Forgot to say something. You don't leave it to soak for 5 or 10 minutes. It's gonna dry up again. You have to keep on spraying. You just spray it, leave it for 5 to 6 seconds. Take a foil and rub it, and just immediately rub it from the coat. That's gonna work out. You see the difference? The rust particles, everything is gone. The big one is, I tried to clear it from here and I see there's no chrome over there. That is almost eaten completely. The rust has to cover the chrome. But I try to take it this also. Let me see if it is possible, or it's gonna take 2 to 3 times of cleaning to remove the complete rust. It's a good progress, no? And I didn't foil over here. Let me foil it and I'll just take one more video.